helps you with your classwork.
Cooking up meaningful stories. Third graders at Ladies Island Elementary School are taking part in a special semester-long project, working with the Pat Conroy Literary Center StoryBuilders, using food to explore creativity, culture, and storytelling. Local author and cookbook writer Mary Martha Greene is talking to students about how recipes can tell stories through memories and traditions.
So when you're writing a story about food, you can still talk about who, what, where, when, and why.
We just talked about how to write a recipe, kind of a who, what, where, when, and why of a story as it relates to food, and then a little bit about my story and growing up here in Beaufort.
As part of the Telling Stories Through Cooking project, students have been working with the StoryBuilder volunteers on a creative writing assignment called A Recipe for Happiness, using words to describe what brings them joy.
1 tablespoon of chocolate cupcake, 2 sticks of my bedroom at home, 4 cups of Miss Roth, 1 teaspoon of playing Roblox, 2 dashes of organized colors, 1 stick of pink, 2 cups of my family, 1 cup of a golden retriever, 1 stick of an artist.
Many students are also sharing their favorite family recipes.
It's shrimp and rice, and my mom makes it. She puts like gravy in the rice, and she puts cut up sausage.
During her visit, Greene, known as a cheese biscuit queen, even brought samples for students to try.
It was good. It had a lot of texture, a little bit of spicy, but it was good, and it had a lot of flavor.
By the end of the semester, the Pat Conroy Literary Center StoryBuilders will turn the students' writing recipes and artwork into a published book. At Ladies Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
So you write all the ingredients down.